Hey everybody, Patty Ann here. Today I'm going to teach how to use, well not even how to use, how to open and download and get started with Embrilliance Essentials. I had a question asked down below one of my YouTube videos by Christine, and she said, could you please help me get started with this? I've purchased the stuff and I just don't know what to do next. So here we go. So here we are in Embrilliance. I went to Embrilliance.com and then I simply went to products up here in the upper left hand corner. Then let's pretend like I'm going to buy essentials, which is what I recommend for everybody to get when they're first starting out. I would add it to my cart, and it's in my cart, and then I would proceed to the checkout and purchase it. Once I've purchased it, let's go back because I don't want to repurchase it. I would make sure I'm logged in, and I would come to my account right up here at the top, my account. Once I'm in my account, look at all these things that I can see, and I want to go to my orders. And in my orders, let's say I want to check what this was that I bought in 2015. I can go to view, and it says this was for Stitch Artist Level 1. Okay, and it has for me my serial number right here, which I would right click on and copy. And then what I'll do is I'll open up Embrilliance again, and here I'll go to Help, Serial Numbers, and paste this right up here. Once it's pasted up here, I'll say Set, and it will set it right down in, it'll take it from this box up here to this one down here, and I'll have the ability to use that then. Then you can do the same thing again with the next one that you have. That's for Stitch Artist 1. If you also bought Essentials, you'll do the same thing. So you'll go back again here, and maybe you bought Essentials here in the very beginning. In 2015, I bought Essentials, and here's the serial number. Right click and copy, and again come back to Embrilliance, and I could hit the enter and just do this one at the same time. Paste, but let's see, I gotta go back one. Okay, there we go. And so then I would set this, and you can see it's already down here as Essentials. Okay, and that's all you have to do. Then it says to continue and gives you a little something, and you can register online if you'd like, and then you have to restart your program for it to take effect. So I hope you enjoyed, or that this tutorial helped you. I'm having a ball using Embrilliance Essentials for my embroidery work. So I hope you'll join me. Hey, if you like these embroidery tutorials, let me know. Thanks. Bye-bye.